you don't need to analyze everything. Like, for instance, if I have appointment with a doctor and the doctor didn't arrive in the right time, so I don't need to be frustrated. And you see, because this is life, there is no perfection.
That's very true. And I think that by lowering your expectations, it could definitely help you keep calm.
Yeah, because to be honest with you, I don't expect anything from anyone from any time, because you know, when you expect something and it doesn't happen, you feel frustrated or you feel disappointed.
Definitely. And when I was in China, I had very high expectations of my students. And those high expectations are coming back. And now I have so many high expectations of you. So the next time you join the live stream, you're going to give a 5-minute speech.
Can you get more specific?
You're going to give a 5-minute speech the next time you join the live stream.
Inshallah. About
Choose
what?
anything you want.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I have a special advice for anyone.
The 5-minute speech will begin right now. Go.
First of all, I want to mention my first time I joined the live stream and I went to give an advice, but I didn't know it in English. And you said to me, just say it in Arabic. I say it in Arabic, but I think you didn't understand very well the concept. But now I learn in English the advice. Those who takes their decision willingly and intentionally will not regret at all.
We should be decisive and have belief in our decision making and just go for it.
Yeah.